After installing the FacelessClip software, your first task will be to set up the APIs from the settings. There are a few things to note about API setup here. For example, if you add the Oxy AI Unified API platform, then through the Oxy API platform, you can use Gemini, 11 Labs' Script B2 transcription, Nano Banana Pro. All of these can be used through Oxy. That means from Oxy, if you just add the Oxy API here, all these features will automatically be available. If you go to our new project, you'll see that through the Oxy provider, Gemini, Script B2, everything is available to you. So this is if you want to use Oxy. This is basically Oxy's platform. Their pricing is given here. They offer a special 50% discount for us, and they have an Optimus package for us, which is $40. With the 50% discount, it comes down to $20, and it's almost unlimited. You can use it almost as much as you want. We've talked to them, and if your quota runs out, they'll give you another 1 million, then another 1 or 2 million in total. So 2 million for $20. If you get the 50% discount, you can use it almost unlimited. Now, if you don't want to use the Oxy API and for LLMs, that is for text generation or from generator, you want to use OpenAI, then you'll need to add the OpenAI API here. And if you say, I've added OpenAI, then for transcription, meaning to extract text from audio, you can use Grok. However, Grok is only for English. Grok does not support Bangla, Hindi, French, Spanish, or other languages. Those languages are supported by 11 Labs. So if you don't want to use Grok, you can add the 11 Labs API as well.